Yeah. So we have secured a middle bench seat for my van. Now I've been searching for years for one of these. Found some other seats online, but it wasn't the middle seat. Sent some emails, and sure enough, the person had the middle seat. And so I bought it. So I can't believe that I have this sitting here. I'm pretty surprised, actually. I also got some sun visors and windshield washer pump, which don't necessarily need. These are the brackets for the seats. I'm assuming I'm missing one, but at least I have a template. This is a windshield washer juice holder, and I'm assuming, I don't even know what this is. It's definitely oil, and it may be for like automatic transmission. I'm not really sure. Extra oil bin. I have no idea what this is, but definitely had oil in it. I think maybe originally he thought it was a windshield washer juice can or something, and maybe it's not even for this vehicle. But I have manual, so I don't know what this is. But it looks old enough that it came from the came from an Econoline, so we'll try to see if we can find that in the shop manual, see what that is. But all in all, pretty good find, and pretty excited about this. Pretty excited about this. So we got a bunch of goodies. So these are little rubber plastic things, I guess they're rubber, that go really close to where the latches are on the doors, on the double doors. So I got one for the back, one for the side. But I didn't even know these existed until I was searching for parts. And then I saw this and I'm like, I had to email them and say, where does this go? Because I'm not even sure what this is. And then they pointed it out to me, and then I went outside and looked. I'm like, oh, sure enough, I do have these, and they're all destroyed. So, so this is something good that I got. So that goes in the interior box. I also got a low but big enough for the amount of horsepower I'm doing, 6.5 inch air cleaner with chrome top. So that's really good. Then I picked up a Holley Sniper EFI. This is actually the version 2. The Sniper EFI 2. And I got the master kit, so it comes with all your wiring, the unit itself, which is installed on the van right now, and all our parts for fuel pump, hoses, fittings, you name it, filters, it's all in here. So I'm going to go through this, make sure I got all the inventory is correct. Let's see what we got here. Yep, more stuff. O2 sensor. So, yep. Oh, there it is. There's the, couldn't find this earlier. Gasket. So, glad that all came with everything. But we're going to go through, we're going to inventory all this, and this whole area right here is going to become kind of our stockpile of parts before it goes onto the van. And of course, we have a long time of body work and paint before any of this stuff goes on. However, some of the stuff is starting to become obsolete, and so I decided I'm going to just buy stuff now. I should have bought it 2 years ago and it would have been 30% different, but everything in the economy has just gone crazy. But in any case, I didn't want to buy stuff that I wasn't going to use and then change my mind, so I just bought everything now and it's ready to go. Now, I am getting a little bit of flack, in a good way, from my mentor on the engine stuff, saying that there's another type of EFI carburetor type that the electronics are not in the carburetor itself, they're external, and so it's out of the heat of that tiny doghouse for the Econoline. And I get that, I hear that. I don't want to say I have a hard time thinking that this thing ain't going to work, but it does integrate with my digital dash and everything, like all goes together. So, and we already did some fabrication that is around this. So I don't know if I could really change course at this point. So we'll see, but we'll dig in and see what happens. When? It just came back from the body shop.
Oh.
The rest of this is on me.
The rest you're doing it?
Yeah, supposedly.
Ooh, doggy.
Yeah.
You're gonna have fun sanding.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to take my car and put it down.
Hide it.
Hide it, because it's gonna get a little crazy.
My car was blue, now it's a cream dust color.
Yeah. even just, you know, walking back and forth grabbing tools, like I'm scared because I seem to cut corners and rub shoulders on door wells and stuff.
Yeah.
So I'm like, just like, this needs to be gone. I called over to Crown Auto.
Yeah.
And I was like, hey, you guys do any like temporary like 2-month storage? And oh yeah, no problem.
It's $1,200.
It was $900 a month minimum, and then if you want them to start it every once in a while,
It's an extra $100.
yeah, it's like $1,300 a month, and I was just like, how heavy is this thing?
It's not bad. I'll just push the top out and
Okay, come on.
it's probably 30 pounds, if that.
Okay. There we go.
Pretty good.
Sweet.